Welcome to the Hairy Vegetarian. Today I'm going to make grilled fennel. And if you're lucky enough to find fennel bulbs with the tops still on them, that's important. Take the tops, these leafy fronds, the thinnest part, off the top. And then get rid of these stalks. And the most outer layer that starts to turn brown, you can trim off. If not, take off this entire outside layer if it's too thick and too brown. And also about 1/8 of an inch off the bottom. And that gets thrown out. These tops chop up very fine. And these tops get put in a separate bowl, a rather bigger bowl than I need for the tops. And I used 2 bulbs and the tops. The bulb has a hard core in the middle. Make sure when you slice it, you slice through that core, and it might fall apart. And then quarter it, also cutting through the middle of that center core. This piece of center core is what attaches the entire bulb together. You want this to stay together. When I put this on the grill, I want to grill this entire piece and not have it fall into separate leaves. These quartered bulbs, I put 2 of them in this dish. With olive oil, just enough to cover, a little bit of salt, a little bit of soy sauce, shake it up. I could grill this like this, but it will take forever. And the outside edges will probably burn before the inside gets anywhere near soft. I like fennel to be uniformly soft. So I microwave it for about 9 or 10 minutes. The chopped up tops, I put in the juice of 1 lime, maybe more. And more soy sauce. This sits while that cooks and while it grills. This is like a dressing. It goes on the grilled fennel after it's done. I've cooked the fennel in the microwave, 9, maybe 10 minutes. I like to get the fennel soft, almost as soft as I like it when I eat it. Oops, I need these. I'm going to put the juices from this cooked fennel into this dressing I made with the tops of the fennel. Olive oil. I did put a little bit of lime juice in this. Salt and the fennel. This sits until we're ready to eat, and then we grill. Since this is cooked mostly, almost completely, all I have to do is get the outside edges a golden brown on all sides. Okay. I think they're done. As they cooked and finished, I put them in the back where there's no heat. I'm going to, I browned them on all sides. We'll put them back in here and then take them in the house. I've got the fennel that has been cooked in the microwave and then grilled. I've got the dressing made out of the tops with soy sauce and lime. Put the fennel in a serving bowl. Dump the greens on top of it. I'm going to add a little bit more soy sauce. And it's ready. Grilled fennel with lime and soy sauce. Stir around. What do you think?
That's delicious.
Cool.